Today we are doing the unboxing of Cat Silicone Light by Ronever. This light has a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery. It also is a padding light, so you pad it on and off to change color. It has 7 colors. It is a soft silicone material, and it says it has a 15-hour working time. It has a built-in 8 pieces LEDs, padding light, USB charge port, and power switch. There we go. So I got this because my nightlight keeps shutting off every 2 to 4 hours and it's aggravating me. So I thought, hey, try. So it comes looking like this. Oh, it is very soft. Ooh. Very cute. Ah, I like it. It reminds me of there's a cat manga about a scary cat. It reminds me of that one, which I thought was endearing, which I know kind of a Tim Burton thing, but this looks just like the cat in that manga. But I am really liking this. I'm going to charge it here tonight and use it to see if it stays on. Now let's see if it changes color. I'm okay with white. I don't really like color anyway, so we're going with this. Oh, you have to squeeze it. Oh. Ah, it changes color. Okay, I like the regular colored light. So anyway, I'm going to go charge this. It's supposed to last for 3 years. I almost did not get him, but I was like, I even put on my list, Anna, do not walk out of the store without the $13 nightlight, because I know you're too cheap sometimes, and then you'll be sitting there in the dark at night going, what the bloody hell was I thinking? I hardly ever swear, but sometimes it comes. But this is the unboxing of the cute cat light.